You know, there's a particular kind of frustration that sets in when you own a beautiful piece of Italian machinery and something goes wrong. It's not just the cost of the repair, it's the helplessness. You're at the mercy of a dealer network that might be hundreds of miles away, or maybe you just want the satisfaction of understanding and fixing your own bike. It's a dilemma that a lot of MV Agusta owners have been talking about lately. They're looking for a way to bridge that gap between total dependence on a dealership and just guessing what's wrong. That search usually leads to one name, OBDSTAR. Welcome back to Baabji Motors. Now, before we get into the nuts and bolts of this review, let's get the formalities out of the way. This content is for educational and informational purposes only, aimed at helping technicians and enthusiasts make informed decisions. All trademarks belong to their respective owners, and you should always consult official service manuals and follow local laws when working on your vehicle. So, the question on the table is simple. Is the OBDSTAR iScan for MV Agusta the affordable solution it promises to be? Can it really give the independent owner a window into the bike's brain without costing as much as a used car? Let's find out. The first thing you need to know, and this is crucial, is that this isn't a plug-and-play device like the code readers you'd use on a family sedan. The OBDSTAR iScan requires external power to communicate with the bike. It won't run off the OBD port's power alone. The kit comes with a mains power supply and a LED that connects to your bike's battery tender connector. You'll need to use one of these, or it simply won't link up. I tested this on a 2018 Brutale 800, and with power applied, it connected without a hitch. It read and cleared both engine and ABS historical fault codes with no current issues present. The big question everyone has is, what can it actually do? It's important to set expectations. This is a diagnostic tool, not a reflashing tool. It will not upload a new ECU map. That's still dealer territory. But for everything else, it's surprisingly capable. We're talking about the ability to perform a throttle body reset and relearn procedure, manage exhaust valve operations if your bike is equipped with them, reset adaptive parameters, and, of course, perform service light resets. You also get access to active tests, which let you command various components to turn on or actuate, and live data streaming from every sensor and switch on the bike, depending on the specific model of MV. There's even a function for coding the instrument cluster with the correct VIN, though that's one of those features you might only discover by exploring the menus. Speaking of menus, there's a bit of a learning curve. OBDSTAR sells a lot of multi-brand units, and sometimes the menu structure isn't immediately obvious. You might have to dig around to find exactly what's available for the MV, but the logic of it is easy enough to figure out with a little patience. For the newer Euro 5 3-cylinder bikes, like the 2021 Dragster RR, OBDSTAR lists the same level of functionality as it does for the older models, so coverage seems consistent. Now, why would you go with OBDSTAR instead of something else? The primary reason is cost. The professional-grade alternative, a Agusta Diagnostic tool, is a phenomenal piece of kit, but it's financially out of reach for most individual owners. We're talking somewhere in the neighborhood of $3,500 to $4,000 Australian dollars to purchase, plus an annual subscription fee of around $400, and then you still have to buy specific cables for each bike model. OBDSTAR, by comparison, is a fraction of that cost, and its yearly update subscriptions are very reasonable. When you do the research, and this is something we try to do here at Baabji Motors, the competition that isn't just a rebrand of the same platform is hard to find. OBDSTAR seems to be the one that keeps coming up as a viable, cheaper alternative. So, back to the question I posed at the beginning. Is it the solution you're looking for? In my opinion, yes, for the right person. If you do your own diagnosis and repairs, and you want the ability to communicate with your MV Agusta systems beyond just reading a generic check engine light, this tool is incredibly useful. It gives you dealer-level access to diagnostics without the dealer-level price tag. But here's my honest take, and I'm sure some will disagree. It's for the owner who is willing to learn. It's not a magic wand. You'll still need to understand what the live data means and how to interpret the results of an active test. If you're looking for a tool that will just tell you what part to replace without any thinking, this might not be it. But if you want to be independent and truly understand your bike, the OBDSTAR iScan is an impressive unit that delivers on its promises. Here's a practical tip that might save you some time. When you're doing a throttle body reset, make sure the bike is at full operating temperature and all electrical loads, like the headlight, are off. It gives you a much cleaner adaptation. If you found this breakdown helpful, let's try to push this video to 1,000 likes. And I genuinely love to hear your thoughts. So drop a comment, maybe 100 of them, and let me know if you've used any of these diagnostic tools on your own bike. What was your experience? Also, if you haven't already, consider subscribing. Honestly, only a small percentage of people watching are actually subscribed to the channel, and every single one helps. It might not seem like much, but it adds up and helps Baabji Motors grow, reach more people, and continue making in-depth, honest reviews like this one. It takes a lot of time and effort to put these analyses together, so your support through likes, shares, and subscribes genuinely makes a difference. Check the description below for links to the tools and products mentioned. Some of these are affiliate links, which means if you decide to purchase through them, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. It's a great way to grab the gear you need and keep this content coming. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your skills sharp and your diagnostic sharper. Happy diagnosing.